Fast Eddy here. So we have a brand new Trilogy T2 that we installed, and the factory code on it is 12345, and we're going to change the code to a new master code. All we have to do is push that code in, 12345, and the letter AL button, and then push 1 and push the AL button again. Now enter your new code, which is 1320 AL, and then you repeat 1230 AL. You will hear 3 small beeps, and the green light blinks 3 times. So now we're going to enter a new user code. We punch in the master code, which is 1320, push the AL button again, and then the number 2 and the AL button. Now enter the new code, 2468 AL button. So let's see if it works. Hit the button 2468, that's the new user code, and it opens. Good deal. So that is how you program your Trilogy T2 master code and one of the user codes. This is Fast Eddy from Fast Eddy's Keys Express in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Thank you for joining me today. Bye-bye.